Arizona State Card Show, day 3. It's gonna be a good one. I wish we could watch some football, but instead we're gonna sell some football cards. Run the intro. Yo, my dude, 918 Collectibles coming through.
Boom. Rocking that Seahawks jersey.
Grabbing some Brady.
Look at that bad boy.
Big one right here, man. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you.
Always. Show us some comic books. Let's see what you got, man.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, I need some comics.
Look at that. Snoop Dogg medal. Dead end. There we go, man. Love.
Sick it.
Yo, man, we appreciate you, homie.
Let's go.
Yep.
Made a deal with my buddy Alvin and Kathy. Had to grab some Mbappe. Appreciate y'all. Yo, shout out to my dude Rylan. He came in through grabbing the Shaden. You cannot sleep on Shaden, sir.
Let's see what you got, bro.
Do not sleep on Shaden, man. He's a baller.
Wake up, people. Wake up.
Yo, I had to make another deal with my guy, Dr. Ed, aka Trev, from Devontae Adams. Appreciate you, brother. Peace. Yo, the little homie Riker coming through, grabbing some stained glass.
What'd you get, Riker? Let's see.
Kevin Durant stained glass.
Dang. Dude, it looks hot on the screen.
I know. I like that jersey too. Hey, I appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
Hooking the homies up.
Yeah, I know. Our friend's going to love this.
Go.
Sorry.
All right.
You gotta redo it.
All right. Go.
What's up, everybody? Damn, I'm messed up.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's up, everybody? It's Pristine Auction. Come check us out. Come sell with us, and yeah.
All right, we got our guy Christian here. He's about to open this promo pack. We're just gonna see what the homie gets. Please don't chop the card,
No, where am I supposed to?
because I'll have to make fun of you on the YouTube show.
Thank you.
Going pretty well. We're just watching an exciting promo open. There it is.
Wow.
Oh,
That's so crazy.
oh my God, that's a dope card, dude.
Yeah.
My dude Jonathan coming through, grabbing some Holland.
Holland.
Yo, look what just came by the booth. Jeremy Sohan. Gold. Vinyl. Shout out to Cali Elite Sports Cards, man. Oh my goodness. He's giving this to me for free. JP. That is a beauty right there. God. Yo, shout out to the homie Blake. Came through, grabbed the Caleb Williams.
See what you got, Blake?
Look at the jersey, man.
Look at this kid. He's clean. He's a superstar.
Hey, yo, he was on Sports Center one time, man.
He's famous.
Yo, last minute deal, as you see everyone's taken down. My dude Kobe came through for the Kobe. I had to give him a deal on it, man.
Here
He's
we
a young
go.
grinder, man. I appreciate you, brother. Day 3, Arizona State Card Show. It's a wrap. I can't wait to go take a nap. And if you like this funky rap, make sure you give that like, drop a comment, and give that subscribe a tap. All right, y'all, stay up. Much love.